है नितेश,
हाय इमरान।
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कमिंग ऑन टू दिस चैनल। हमारे पास ना आज एक टाटा लवर है। हम लोग आज बात करेंगे टाटा अल्ट्रोज के बारे में।
Yes, I'm Nitish here. So I work in a Tata life insurance company. मैं लिया almost on February 24.
February 24, सो 6 महीने के आसपास हुआ है। और कौन सा मॉडल है ये, अब मतलब कौन सा वेरिएंट है ये?
ये almost top variant है, automated है,
ओके
and it is a DCA version है,
ओके, पेट्रोल राइट?
petrol
अच्छा
and 1200 cc है, 1.2 लीटर
अच्छा, कितना ऑन रोड पड़ा था आपको?
ऑन रोड मिला मुझे 11.8 lakhs.
11.8 lakhs, ओके। अल्ट्रोज क्यों चूज किया आपने? एनी अदर कार्स यू हैड इन माइंड?
I had a Baleno, Glanza, and a Punch. I compared everything, and finally I took this.
अच्छा, तो कंपैरिजन में आपके मेन पर्सपेक्टिव्स क्या थे, मतलब क्या क्या चीजें आप कंसिडर कर रहे थे?
For example, if you take in the Punch means there was a seat का पीछे वाला सीट का थोड़ा इश्यू था,
मतलब स्पेस।
स्पेस. I was sitting back side, तो मेरा लेग रूम ज्यादा है, मतलब I used to push ड्राइवर सीट थोड़ा
हाँ हाँ
उधर जाइए,
ठीक है।
so I was feeling that case, and even for the family also. So and in the Glanza it was little high.
हाई मतलब
High मतलब in price.
अच्छा अच्छा, प्राइस
In
में।
the price. And Baleno also not in the safety wise. Then Exter also it was actually it was a new car. They told us for the 6 months it will take for the if we book also
वेटिंग पीरियड है।
waiting period. So and पिछले वाला सीट का भी उसका थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था, रिक्लाइनर सीट. If you sit back side, you cannot see outside. If you sit like means it will go back side like मतलब पूरा ऐसा पीछे चला जाता. So there was not comfort also.
ओके,
So I 2-3 times I took test drive for this. So it was very much comfortable and safety भी है.
सो सेफ्टी कंफर्ट
Comfort and,
ये आपके प्राइमरी फोकस थे गाड़ी खरीदने के टाइम
for the family car also. Family car also.
फैमिली कार आल्सो, ओके राइट। सो आप लोग यूजुअली कितना लोग ड्राइव करते हैं, मतलब आपके फैमिली वाले?
4 लोग हैं.
4 लोग हैं। और
4-5 लोग हैं.
प्राइमरीली सिटी में करते हैं या हाईवे में भी ड्राइव करते हैं?
फैमिली के लिए तो सिटी चल रहा है अभी.
अच्छा,
We go with the friends and all, we will go outside.
और राइट, और कितना चला लिया आपने उन्हें अभी तक?
As of now 3000 गया है.
3000 किलोमीटर चला ले। ओके, हाँ, ये हमारा स्पेशल अपीयरेंस गेस्ट।
Guest appearance.
हाँ हाँ, इस बजट में आपके पास लेट्स से नेक्सॉन भी तो था, मतलब स्टैंडर्ड, नॉट द टॉप एंड, लेकिन मतलब बेस वर्जन, मिड वर्जन भी था।
I wanted to take first car as a hatchback.
Oh, this is your first car, is
My
it?
first car.
Okay, अच्छा
So
अच्छा।
I wanted to take as a hatchback only. I was not in the SUV.
Okay,
So that reason I took this.
अच्छा, okay. So टाटा का सेल्स एंड आफ्टर सेल्स एक्सपीरियंस, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सेल्स एक्सपीरियंस। आपका इनिशियली आपने कैसे अप्रोच किया, टेस्ट ड्राइव लिए, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था ओवरऑल टाटा के साथ?
मेरा जो एडवांस बुकिंग किया था इसके लिए.
ओके,
So
आपने बुकिंग टेस्ट ड्राइव से पहले ही कर लिया था या?
after test drive and all. So I did a advance booking. After that उसने उन लोगों ने क्या किया, एक्चुअली हमारा जो एक फैमिली ट्रिप था, वो होने के बाद हम लोग आके पूरा डाउन पेमेंट करके लेंगे बोला था हम लोग. They agreed it. So we went to our family trip and before that only within 2-3 days they are calling us and telling that to do the down payment.
अच्छा,
So we told no, after coming from the
वेकेशन नो?
vacation we'll do the payment. We'll do the down payment thing. So no sir, we have to do the disbursement that and all there.
ओके, अच्छा
So that was the bad experience in the Key Motors.
अच्छा,
बाद में दूसरा प्रेरणा मोटर्स गया तो उधर ठीक लगा.
okay. So your pre-sales was not very good with Key Motors and then you had to cancel it and you booked with प्रेरणा. तो उसके बाद क्या, अभी मैंने टाटा ओन किया था, टाटा का गाड़ी ओन किया है, और मेरा भी सर्विस का एक्सपीरियंस उतना कुछ खास नहीं था पहले। आपका ऐसा कुछ हुआ? आपने 2 सर्विस किया ना?
एक्चुअली सेकंड सर्विस में they told they'll call in the evening, but मुझे कॉल नहीं मिला. So around I was waiting.
Hmm.
So I only called them, which they will give in the coupon.
Right,
So
right.
I only called them, and they are telling it is ready. After then they told they will get back to you. Then after again they called us and they told it is ready. You can come and check it.
तो ओवरऑल आपका खर्चा कितना आया था दोनों सर्विस में एवरेज?
सर्विस मिला के मुझे जस्ट 1,500 रुपीज आते बस.
बस उतना ही.
दैट वाज अ फ्री सर्विस. तो थर्ड सर्विस के लिए देखना है क्या होता है.
तो माइलेज आपको कैसा मिल रहा है सिटी हाईवे में?
माइलेज तो अभी कुछ नहीं है. सिटी में तो 9 to 10 मिल रहा है.
9-10 मिल रहा है सिटी में. ओके.
You go highways means it will come 10 to 15.
10-15. Okay.
15.
We have Yashwant also. So Nitish is
Okay.
Yashwant's friend.
Yeah.
So Yashwant has high rider. He gets the same amount. He gets what 14 for 15 mileage
Yeah, 15.
on the highway.
Yeah, 15.
You also drive his car
Yeah,
most of the time, right?
it's me only.
It's you only.
I will not allow him to try. And so yeah, he is learning actually.
Take this.
He's learning. He's still learning, and yeah, now he's good. So this is his first car. So he had options to buy seconds hands and also all of us friends and all. We told him, if you're buying it, buy a new car. It's okay, you can. It was there, right? That myth that you'll have to buy your old car seconds, learn drive properly. So and he never wanted to go for manual.
What do you usually notice compared to high rider? Do you see any better interior or worse interior compared to high rider, something like that?
See, I don't want to compare to my urban cruiser because that's a different segment.
Different.
So as you said, coming to the interior and all, yeah, the seat is good compared to my car, and the steering is too good. As I told you last, in
sound system, no?
yeah, sound system is too good. Same, yeah. So that's a biggest advantage of this car. Now in the highways, when we have a gear option also, right? So manual options, right? So in that the pickup is good, but without the manual, I think in the highways the pickup is we have to push it. So yeah. With the same segment with the 11.1 what he bought for the price amount, I think we had a lot of other options compared to speed. I'm talking about rest. He is happy because he is a different customer. I am a different customer. We both are a different customer, and his intentions were itself completely different from us. So he wanted to go with all the family things and comfort and everything. And with the city, with the highway, I think we have gone to Mysore and almost most of the times we have been to Mysore only. So coming back to and fro, highway and all everything, and within this off-roading also, what we did, the little off-roading, it was very smooth. I need not to have the push. The tires were on too good. In that way, I think Altroz is a very good choice. Only thing is the speed. That's what I felt. Maybe you'll have to push a little hard. And after 80 also, maybe I don't know. But with the other segment cars are Hyundai. If I want to compare i10, the new i10. I think that's very smooth, pretty smooth.
My dad has a Grand i10 Nios. It's the worst car I've ever driven in my life.
Automatic?
No, it's a manual. I'll tell you why. When you're inside driving the car, you literally feel everything that's going inside, like under the car. It feels like it's going to break, literally. It's like sheet is there. That's it. There is nothing else. The steering, it's just too light, even for highway. Like for highway, it is supposed to get hard, right?
Exactly.
It doesn't.
Oh.
It's the worst car I've driven.
That option we have.
Just a personal experience, my own car, so that's why.
Don't take it to heart.
इंटीरियर के बारे में बात करते हैं. How's the AC?
AC is good, but not as compared to a high rider which he told.
Okay.
So it will take some time, but not. I'm okay with that. Not an issue. And speakers are good.
No, but wait. He compared with high rider. What do you say?
Urban Cruiser and Breza's AC is too good. Nobody can beat it. I'll tell you, Tata's AC is, I think it's not up to the mark. That's what I feel. How is Varna's Hyundai's AC?
Very good.
Very good. No? So what I'm telling is, I think this Tata's AC will be at the bottom. I can tell you. I don't know, but even with Tiago, I was having a lot of
Yeah,
issues with AC,
yeah,
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
We had to change a lot of cooling, cleanings, and all. And I think Tata's AC is like at the bottom.
Like
You are taller than me, right?
Yeah, and Nitish's family is all a healthy family,
Like,
so
Okay. Like me.
like us.
Not bad, not bad. So what are the additional accessories that you have got?
additional, I took as this
Steering cover, okay.
and cover, and this one seat cover, and that's all. One idle they'll give this.
Okay, yeah. Okay. You have the Harman Kardon system.
Yes.
Let's talk about the touchscreen.
Touchscreen is very smooth.
Yeah, okay. Does it ever freeze? Gives you any kind of...
I have not experienced any freeze now as of
Okay.
so, and one more I liked it is ambient light. It will come in the
हाँ तो ambient light तो light ये उधर है ना अच्छा
you
अच्छा
can see in the night you will get very glow.
That's true. Good.
That is too good.
Okay. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless आता है ना या wired आता है
नहीं है वायर डालना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा ओके अल्ट्रोज में आजकल सनरूफ भी आता है ना
हाँ इसका नेक्स्ट वर्जन सनरूफ था एंड वायरलेस
एंड्रॉइड ऑटो अच्छा वायरलेस चार्जिंग ओके
दैट वाज अल्ट्रोज DCA प्लस बेस्ट था. सो उसमें सनरूफ आया था एंड वायरलेस चार्जिंग एंड इधर का क्लस्टर आता था बीच में एक
इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर ना हाँ वो डिजिटल आता है वो
डिजिटल आता
राइट practical spaces looks like there are a lot of spaces, right? You can put 1 liter bottles.
है. स्टोरेज आल्सो इज देयर. इधर डैश स्टोरेज है
Okay.
इधर बॉक्स.
Oh, that glove box is like massive. Looks pretty good.
एंड इधर साइड में हैंड रेस्ट है. इधर छोटा सा है बट नॉट रियली.
इसमें भी कवर डाला है क्या आपने?
नहीं वो
अच्छा ऐसा ही आता है ओके
एंड लॉकिंग सिस्टम इधर बीच में दिया है.
अच्छा हैजर्ड लाइट का ओह लॉकिंग सिस्टम अच्छा and this comes with what 2 airbags right not 6 airbags. वाह इतना हैवी बनाते हैं गाड़ी को 6 एयरबैग की जरूरत ही क्या है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट प्रोज एंड कॉन्स फॉर यू. प्रोज बताइए आपको जो अच्छा लगे एज अ फर्स्ट टाइम ड्राइवर ओनर कार ओनर आपको जो अच्छा लगे. आपने पहले दूसरा गाड़ी अभी देखा है फ्रेंड्स के पास यशवंत के पास. व्हाट डू यू लाइक अबाउट द कार? व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू फील नीड टू बी इम्प्रूव्ड?
Pros I experienced about the back seats, which family told me it was good, and the seats also.
Yeah.
It is very much comfort, and steering wise, it is very.
Tata steering is always good.
It is always good.
See, one thing I want to add to Nitish is the comfort. What he's talking about is right. So to be very precise, he's little fat, right? So I'm talking about the comfort of the driving seat. He felt very good sitting. He compared to I think which car? The other car, Punch and all. Punch is literally, I think I only don't feel good.
It is like a box.
So we don't feel good driving the car itself. Then just imagine Nitish, even he don't feel comfortable. So Nitish also wanted. So our suggestion was like, take the car which you will be able to drive peacefully, and it should have comfort. When you're taking around, it should not be like you're not able to sit or anything, right? Because we get fat, we get lean. That's ultimate. That's depend on our body and everything. But still. The way we drive, right? Even I'm huge, right? When I sit on my car, I need a lot of spaces, my leg, room, and everything. So in that case, I think it's very comfortable. It's very comfortable.
And I liked about this screen also and speaker.
Of course, because we love it.
You don't have to like it; you'll have to love it. I think except the sunroof, I think this car has.
No, I think it's pretty good value for money.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about cons. क्या पसंद नहीं आता गाड़ी में? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सब कुछ पसंद आता है.
sometimes क्या होता है ना,
uh,
when we get down after out of the car, ये बजना चालू होता है कभी कभी.
क्या?
When we stop the car here, इंजन स्टॉप करते हैं तो
हाँ.
इधर एक येलो लाइट आता है. ये जो ग्रीन है अभी, जब we stop also, sometimes it will come yellow light. So if we didn't know that, if we get down, key was we take the key outside, means ये बजना चालू हो गया, क्या होगा पता नहीं चला.
अच्छा.
So that was they have to improve that. मतलब हम लोग बरोबर ऑफ नहीं किया था, मतलब so we tried it 2-3 times. फिर भी वो बजना चल रहा था. Then we have to start it again and we have to stop it.
I think that's not an issue here. Even I have observed it. I couldn't do much about it, I guess. We'll have to start again. We'll have to lock it and फिर से और लॉक करके अनलॉक करना है.
I guess.
कभी कभी ये जो मिरर भी ओपन नहीं होता है.
हाँ, that's very strange. लॉक होते हैं, पता नहीं कैसे लॉक होते हैं भाई, ओपन ही नहीं हो जाएगा. बाद में फिर से ऑन करके ऑफ करना है, then that will get open. I think I don't know why, but even I have faced a lot of strange things in my Tiago, wherein even Tata guys have no clue. I think hope even you know with the gear lever and everything.
Told you the story last time, no?
Yeah, the same thing. They don't even know what is happening, and the same thing I told him to check in the last service, and that guy said, "So your car is perfectly fine." I said, "Chalo, chalte." Like, this is why I said, the difference between services.
Yeah.
That's very pathetic.
You cannot deny the fact that their service needs to be improved. You see, the cars are amazing. Everything's awesome.
Exactly.
Like the seat comfort, I'm sitting here, it's pretty good. AC is still okay, yaar. It's still better.
Yeah.
Everything is good. It's just the service. So, इसका headlight power कैसा? How's the power of these
Very bad.
headlights? Very bad.
I don't like it. I told him we don't have the throw. That's what I told him.
These are projectors, right?
Projectors, I don't feel like have we switched on the lights in the street lights. I will not be sure whether we have switched on the headlights or not. So I think a lot of things I think that have to improve big time, because in the night drives and all, I think that will be very worst.
Show us the boot space, please.
345 liter boot space.
Oh. Yashwant, can you go and sit there, sleep there?
I can find it.
It's pretty good, right?